Yeah, man, I don't know, sir. Prince Talib, representing for Mucky Lifestyle Adventures TV. I want them log in, subscribe, and just view out the whole thing because it's natural. Prince Talib presenting, alright? Yeah, man.
That is it, fam.
As I rise this morning, I have to give thanks. I'm up and I'm yawning. I'm blessed, I'm never stressed.
See that a paper?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, I should love video. So be here. You want what now? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Welcome to MLA TV, Mucky Lifestyle Adventures TV, and just want to say welcome to you all. Big up and love and spread the love all around for you all. I'm right now in Trelawny region, so behind me is the water. The water is receding at the moment. It's going down, my people. So we give thanks for that. Stay tuned. See what we're gonna show you some stuff around the yard, a little bit with mama and so on, and the improvements and what not so good improvements and whatsoever. So stay tuned for greatness. Watch what I'm gonna show you. The mulberry tree is actually bearing, starts bearing. It starts 3 feet high and it's bearing already. Lovely. You can see the marigold flower. Well, the water, my people. The water was right here. You can see the line where it was, right? You can see the line where it was, and it's going down. It's a good amount going down, going down. These green things, there's some leaves, algae that are growing, so it's covered with the algae. Yeah, man, the algae is covered. And remember, we couldn't see that high dirt from our fish pond there with the 4 pores. Now you can see it, that old fridge out there used to be covered with water. Only the back used to show like a crocodile back. Now it's down. So all of these were underwater. Yeah, man, the water has killed off a lot of plants. Pranganut, mango stand firm, the coconut battering. Other coconut out there died. The June plum right there. June plum right there. Still it gone now. It gone home, as you can see. I'm gonna show you what these are all about. These are some leafy stuff, green leafy. This is all what's in the water, you know. These leafy stuff, algae in the water. But the water is, let me find another stick to move the water for you and show you what's popping. It's thick, you know? Very thick. Thick. Very thick. But the water is there. See? And just to mention how deep right there is. Then the one that know I'm good at, man. Think. But right there, so it's not so deep. Now we have to use a bamboo, yeah, and show you what I want. About knee height, you know? Yeah. So it's going down, my people. Very good to know that it's going down because it used to be a little yam hill. The water was way up there too. Over in the bush, across the fence. All of these are yam hill. Yeah. And some pig they come over and draw the yam them in, man. And so yam them are rotten, my people. I was looking forward to dig yam in, man. I was looking so forward to dig yam. See all the yam them rotten out. Rotten out. Need to look forward. You dig yam. We have fish in there still. Coming. And the positive thing. Yeah, the fowl them fine now, yeah. I need here. I dig through where man I eat them thing, you know. Because big them up, see me. them pen to finish repair it for them go back in. So they're out here. Easting the mango tree this. Yeah man, this time I smell it yesterday, may I tell you. Big up Trelawny and this is the father products, you know. Yeah. Wow. And this banana will go down, no man, go down really down now man, watch out. Powerful bus it bus, you know. Powerful bus it bus will come up. I might just take it up and carry it to the yard the plant, but my yards are dry, you know. It's a nice bus man, I like the rub bus stick, bus where it bus up. Yeah man, powerful. Bamboo them all go down, you know. One thing we can tell about down here, man. The clouds are very beautiful. Clouds are very beautiful, you know. Very beautiful. And the coconut tree, you know, the coconut tree is very nice. Yeah, very nice. This cherry tree get a battery, but an avocado tree. I plant some cane tree. The last time I done here, I plant these cane suckers. I'm gonna go and go down look like the old swine then go eat some. But then I come up back. I'm happy for that. It's a nice cane, you know, it's a ribbon. It's a green cane with the red stripe ribbon. If you look right there, you can see the type of cane. Beautiful. Whenever you come up man, I show them man and I eat cane too, you know. Yeah, fucking barrow. Whole fence still under reconstruction. So the builder sick. It not finished up yet. And see how did I make the goat pen around here now, the goat pen. Water wash down the whole light and mash it down. Mash down the goat pen, never know say. Water that come in from goat pen. Shell down that. Yeah man, so we out here we are. Hope for the best, you know, just only the best is good enough. All the fence that they build over there so mash down. And behind there behind here water still over there. Yeah man. Sorry, so that was a drone to fly over and show now. Step over my friend heavy yard. You know, wind there, you know. I have a drone now and I just fly it over and show now go on over there. All of the cane field over so go way back to the mountain. So I go on over here, water heavy and thick. Yeah man. Just right there. Breeze blow like wow. So, yeah man, I love the clouds on the background, the backdrop of the clouds down there. Trelawny is very nice. I love it so much. So my people, now you see, yeah, now I'm gonna head to Brownstone to get something for mama a nipple buckle because she had the on the chew, so we're gonna give her the soup and porridge and supplements to a baby nipple bottle. So big baby. Yeah, so I don't know how to take care of mama to the best of our ability as a family and friends. I don't know. Big up on yourself. As subscriber YouTubers and team creators, father and son lifestyle, big up yourself. Yeah man, big up on yourself and one love Lando. Yesterday the third was the Earth Strong, big up yourself bro. Big up again, you know. So we out here. So go on and take it easy. The junker them still there, my people. I'm still a buy. Now over there fly. The rooster crow say alibi. Alibi, alibi, alibi. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Like a green pack. So stay tuned for greatness and see you on the next little views, you know? Yeah, there. That's Pancoot, you know? Pancoot out here. The water is receding, now we're happy. It's going down, so we can see our pan right there again someday soon. Yeah, man. Wow. See that? Pancoot and the ducks, them and the divers, them out. Alright, my people, and I'll see you again very soon. Oh yes, it's a really Brownstone, my people. The bus park I walk on, so it's empty. And see the church there, rainy. Brownstone, and I tell the rain a fall. Little baby I fall in love with me. She not even want to leave me. See it? Yeah man, so the rain a fall out in a Brownstone. Hold it up high, because when I want the people to send me a video them, you know? Church of both, you see me people? Yeah. I am over here, you know? Eh? Yeah, I can hold. I come across today. If I go across the water, I drop. If you drop in there, so you know? See that paper?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, I love video. So be here. You want to walk now? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. So she want to walk now. Yeah, so I lock out the camera. River run. Yes, the people, so the road is, you know. I'm going to cross, but we can't cross. I'm going to put that long, you know. And I like that girl, you know. Careful here. Yeah, man, out here. Splash your hand, splash my back. Watch the water here, come down, you know. That's style. Yeah. Nah, put my body face on the camera. Me alone have a funny, you know. Yeah.
Any customer come style at them I
They are look for complan, you know. It's a powder family, it's a protein family for elders, like in a box like this. Thinner than this though. I want to say the pharmacy them have them. These I want to say baby stuff. Say there. Tell I search. See grade 7 grade. Long time I don't eat this, you know. Wheat, oats, corn, millet, rice, barley and flaxseed. 7 grains, long time I don't eat it. Nice thing, I used to eat it a lot. Over there I search. And where I look for the great complan, but you know say, oh see complan. Yeah man, the complan the rightest, you know. So you have the original, the strawberry. Yeah, some don't know which one of them fall and pan. So I call my sister and so I go. So are the best one, you know? I look on this. How about laboratories? About. Oh, yeah. Product of the Netherlands. 7 servings per container. Yes, see the price that we pay for 4,200 and for that, and the other one for 3,600. Vanilla, and the one I know strawberry for 3,700. I think I want to buy the original still. Just realizing that this is Ensure. We don't want the Ensure, I want the complan. So I have to choose between strawberry. I don't have vanilla, so the strawberry I have to choose. I'll be a strawberry here. So I just want a strawberry. I'll work with it though. Just work with this. The elders, you know, close. So I'm in this pharmacy upstairs. I'm looking for the nipple bucket for mama. So I see some very nice ones over here. And this one's a 735, 240 milliliter, 8 ounce, 1 bottle. Over here, so I have 3 bottles, so $1,920. But you see right here, you have 2 11 ounce wide neck bottles for like $1,075. I think I'm gonna go with these two. If you use soup, because the neck them wide, I'm gonna take that one in. Best choice though. Big idea though. Yeah man, true. Stay tuned while I'm out. Yeah, I'll see some out and I come out, get back out at Brownstone, I go back into Jackson Town and I chop it up. I walk and all a bus, you know? So you don't know you're out here. Get back down in the town, you know? So one of them looks like it's ready to leave. No one, nah, go this time, I go. You know? Alright? So one, catch up. Yeah, my people, I'm back in the J-Town and guess who this?
Yeah, man, Prince Talib, you know. Big
Prince
up, you know.
Talib, the man say,
Yeah, man.
give me the herbs, give me the herbs.
Give me the grades.
Give me the grades.
Give me the grades. Let me smoke it for days. Give me the grades. Give me the grades. Give me the grades. Let me smoke it for days and days. Yeah, man, I don't know say Prince Talib, you know. Look out for that one. I probably hear it already still, but as I rise this morning, I have to give thanks. I'm up and I'm yawning. I'm blessed, I'm never stressed. As I rise this morning, I have to give thanks. It's the crack of the dawn, and I'm blessed, I'm never stressed. No.
Yeah, man, big up yourself in the fire.
Bro. Yeah, man,
Me, Bobby Reds there, man, say, I must
Yeah,
see
man.
him. I see
Yeah,
the
man.
dating out in a vehicle all the while.
Yeah, man, big up, you know.
You know, so me in a taxi and I say, boy, and taxi man, I think, me say, me are you? I say, well, I go on and say, you tell him about it, and me I say, me don't know about that guy. He might say, you say, you're not the artist. And me I say, no, bro. Yo,
Yeah,
man,
outside.
So big up, man.
Yeah, man, manners and respect always enough.
Yeah, man, I can never love play a song on a taffy.
Yeah, man, bomba, eh?
Taffy play a song every day on him box on it. But him dope
What?
east side him there, you know.
Yeah, man, big him up for me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Say
man.
Taffy. Yeah, man, him play all of them. You and the little short rats, but give me the grace.
Yeah, man, that are vigorous.
Vigorous.
Yeah, man.
All the song him play for me, I give a whole catalog.
Yo, which channel is?
This is a Maki Lifestyle Adventure TV,
Hold on.
MLA TV.
Yeah, man, me give a jingle feed. Yeah, man, I don't know, say Prince Talib, you know, representing for Maki Lifestyle Adventures TV. I want them log in, subscribe, and just view out the whole thing because it's natural. Prince Talib presenting, alright? Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, that is it for me. Big up. True.
We hear each other.
Yes, I'm reach back and now, my people. I'm going to say, I'm going to give thanks, reach back safe. Then, no. Place nice, man. Watch a duck your peeps, watch a we call him Foul Life, Wildlife TV, I call him Pancoot. I mean, and then they have to go shoot 2 of them. Sorry, my people. Yeah, man. And they have to shoot 2 of them and carry them down game sister, eh? Yeah, man. You go on. You go and enjoy life. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being here for us all the time. All the family. Appreciate and appreciate love all of you. I give thanks, you know. One love, you know, and the sun, yeah. Nice. Yeah, man, so stay safe, everyone. Big up on yourself and thanks to the love and support and all the views and subscribers, friends, families. All the new persons I met every day. Noreen. Yeah, man, I meet all the people a lot of times, you know. Yeah, man, it's a lot. So that's why I say one love and I keep spreading the love and the joy around. When people say I road them, I heal me up, you know. Maki. And I say Colors with TV, them I call me to everything. Big up a one love, man, father and son. The whole crew, you don't know. So me can walk by. The whole crew, now you me sturdy as everybody. Big up on yourself. And me I say, Campfire Fusion. And love to everyone. All content creators, YouTubers, Oliver, Unfiltered, everybody, big up on yourself. One love here. AJ Band, Jamaican. Yeah, man, big up everyone. Everyone. Ocean and Naya. Big up everybody. One love, Roxanne's Kitchen, everybody. Big up, big up, big up. Stay tuned. Me say, cock comfy chicken, cock comfy hen, and a fella cock round the back to get cock. Cock a war with about 4 little hen, 5 hen, one little cock, 1 little cock. How you a go manage that? How you a go make hen ride after that? Look on the cock, him a move round the front, but him go round the back with 4 hen, 5 hen with 1 cock. How you a manage cock round the back? A 6 hen you got? Look on him got 6 hen alone. Oh, you alone are gonna manage the attack. You and cock with 6 hen. Oh. The days.
Yeah, very nice.
Happy birthday to you.
No, me catch you. Yo, direct you. In a me pot, where me I go put and cook you.